Bulaga, Indonesia sa SCTV, ang pinakamalaking TV network sa Indonesia noong July 16 ng taong ito. Sa loob ng halos isang buwan lamang, ay marami ng dabarkad sa Indonesia ang napasaya.
Itbulaga, Indonesia!
Marami ng dabarkads ang napatawa. At marami ng tahanan ang nahatiran ng mahigit pa sa 1,100 tuwa. At ngayon, sila na ang number 1. Congratulations! Itbulaga, Indonesia! Ngayon, tayo naman ang bibigyan ng mahigit 1,100 tuwa bahasa style ng ating mga dabarkads mula sa Itbulaga, Indonesia.
Isa po sa pinakamahalagang karangalan ng Itbulaga mula pa noong 1979 ay ang pagkakaroon nito ng isang international franchise.
Gaya na sinabi namin dati, ito isang pagkilala sa lahat ng pagmamahal na ibinigay natin sa Itbulaga.
Tama si Tito at si Vic, mga kaibigan. At tama rin si Joey dahil ngayong araw na to, mga kaibigan, ay kakaiba ang makikita nyo. Kayo, ibang makikita nyo. Hindi lang special at masarap ang tanghalian, mga kaibigan. Dadagdagan pa namin yan. Dadagdagan pa namin ng konting angahang pa yan. Dahil makakasama natin ang mga bago nating Dabarkads, hindi po mula rito, kundi from Indonesia.
Dabarkads, our Dabarkads from Itbulaga, Indonesia, Rian Ibram and Uya Kuya.
Rian and Uya Kuya.
Hello, magandang tanghali, Philippines! Wow, it's so great to be here.
Hey! Welcome to Itbulaga, Philippines.
Thank you. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo.
Salamat siya!
Salamat siyang.
Wait.
Kala nyo, Puya Bunda.
So, you're Uya Kuya, huh?
Yes, you must.
Rian.
Boss. Yes, bossing.
Boss,
Yes,
boss
bossing.
Uya. Hey, I like this, huh? Hey, look, huh?
What is that?
Huh?
Uya Kuya.
Uya Kuya.
Uya kuya.
Wait.
Meron ka din. Ito yung nagtagpo yung dalawang bossing, mga kaibigan. Ayan. Ano yung sa'yo?
That's,
The Samsung. Okay.
meron din siya,
Up.
Oh! Bosing. Okay. How's that?
Uya.
Yes.
You think, huh?
Bossing Kuya.
Bossing.
Also have.
Uya.
Bossing Kuya. How do you find the Philippines?
Yes, we arrived yesterday and we enjoy everything in Philippines.
And we ate bangus and then kare-kare and my favorite one is bago. Is that right, bago?
Bago.
And tilapia. Good, very good.
You ate tilapia.
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 Saksakan ng taba.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, I'll tell you later.
Very healthy.
I'll show you later. Huh? We have tilapia, saksakan ng taba over there.
Ang iyong tilapia. May tinatanong pa yan?
Oh.
Oh, ano ba?
So anong ginagawa nyo rito sa Pilipinas?
Pare, ba? Hindi
He's
maintindihan.
asking what brings you to the Philippines.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
There are two reasons why we came to the Philippines.
Okay.
Okay, first, we learned from the news about what happened to the Philippines, so we want to extend our help to our Filipino Dabarkads.
The flood.
The rain.
Yeah.
The rain.
That's right. And we also want to support Itbulaga's effort to help the Filipino students.
Yes.
That's why we brought 4 boxes of books and then school supplies, towels, and also blankets.
Wow.
Yes. We are also doing fundraising effort in Itbulaga, Indonesia to help the flood victims.
Yes, and
Yes.
so there will be more help coming from Itbulaga, Indonesia.
From Indonesia. Mabuhay ang Indonesia! Ayan o. Ayan
Thank
yung
you,
mga 4
thank you.
boxes na yan.
Thank you very much.
Salamat. And ayan po yung mga boxes na dala nila.
Wait,
Oh, may mga parating pa. Medyo na overweight lang yata. Na overweight.
Overweight,
Airplane,
yeah.
ha?
Okay.
Isang reason pa lang. That's only one reason. You
Yes.
have 2 more.
Okay. The second reason we have a good news for everyone. Eat Bulaga Indonesia is now #1 in our time slot. in
Yes,
Indonesia.
number
Bulaga,
one.
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Number one.
Yes, and it is also the #1 SCTV show.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And then our third reason,
Ayan na, third na. Oh.
it has been our dream to sing and perform with Tito, Vic, and Joy.
Shall we sing? Shall we?
You want to sing with us? Huh?
Yes.
Yes,
Well, we know an Indonesian song. We know an Indonesian song.
Yeah, Joey is,
Yeah,
has a favorite
okay.
Indonesian song.
What kind of song do you know?
Indonesia. Seven seas, Indonesia. But do you know any Tagalog song?
Filipino
song.
I know Tagalog song.
What?
Dahil sa'yo.
Kuya.
Bahay Kubo.
Parang yun din Parang pareho lang. Wait,
Yes.
so did you go shopping already here in the Philippines? You go shopping?
Yes.
Yeah?
I
Yeah,
bring a
pe-
lot of peso.
You have peso?
Peso.
Philippine
Really?
peso, ha?
Yes, Philippine
So-
peso.
Yeah, of course. You cannot use your money here.
Like this, right?
Huh? That's peso?
No.
Peso, this is peso.
That's napkin.
Really?
Look.
That's only
napkin.
tissue.
The tissue, yeah.
Yesterday, before I go to Philippines, I go to money changer in Jakarta.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
And they said,
they
this
give
is
you that?
peso.
What?
This is peso.
That's peso.
Really?
No,
Yeah, come on.
you're making loco, huh?
What's
This
that?
is
You're
not
joking.
peso.
Yes, loco.
Yeah, loco. Oh.
That's why there's a bellboy call him loco. So crazy.
Oh, that's
Ah,
also
so you're loco,
Casey
huh?
in
Okay,
Indonesia.
okay.
It's peso.
Okay, just
Show us the
burn
peso.
the
Show.
tissue.
Show us the peso.
Oh! Messi?
Naging peso nga eh.
Naging peso nga. You have more tissue?
You more?
Another one.
You more?
Yeah.
The bigger?
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh! Bigger peso.
This is the peso.
Pakikuha nga ng toilet paper, oh.
Yeah, you have more tissue? You have more tissue?
Panay ang bulsa mo, ah.
Okay to.
Oo, pare, pare.
Kikita ko rito.
Picture
You
na.
more bigger?
Majicha pa.
Bigger. Oh!
At saka mas malaki sa ordinaryo.
Some more. Hoy!
Eh, saging na yan, ah.
Teka.
Bira ka
That's
saging
not a
niya.
peso. That's a banana.
Banana.
No more peso.
No more peso?
Is that a Philippine banana?
What happened?
Okay.
This is Philippine banana?
Yeah.
This is Philippine banana?
You like banana?
Yes, I like banana.
Okay, very good.
This is
You're
it.
very good, huh?
Magician.
Tissue
Kuya,
become
kuya.
peso. You have other tricks?
Okay.
You have other magic?
Okay, I have a car. Wait for me.
Magaling, ha?
Para si Julia pala to, ah.
Oo, si Julia. Oh.
What's that?
Okay, I have a prediction in here.
Yeah, prediction?
And Joy.
Yan. Oh.
Okay.
Mhm.
I have prediction here, and I've made this prediction since 1920.
1920. Oh,
Ito, siyang prediction.
Prediction, ha?
Prediction.
Manghuhula din pala to.
You just choose one car.
One. Just one.
Pili ka na isang
I'll get
mga...
a point only. Get. Okay.
This? Are you
This
sure?
one. Yes.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yes.
And then,
Oh, what
Show?
will I do?
show?
And
Okay. Okay.
show to audience, I don't see.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Wala na. Oh, kita nyo, ha?
Oh, alam niyo na.
Finish?
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
they
okay.
saw it
Finish?
already.
Yan,
Yeah.
ha? Oh.
Finish?
Queen of Spade, ha? Huwag niyo
Finish,
sasabihin.
finish. Okay.
Finish.
Yes.
Okay. So, is that your prediction?
Yes, if my prediction is right, call me the greatest magician on earth and hire me for Eat Bulaga Philippines for 33 years.
Okay.
We'll do that. We'll
Agree?
do that. Okay.
But what if your prediction is wrong?
You can throw anything to the states and I'll give audience 1,000 each.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh!
Promise yan, ha? Okay.
Pag mali siya,
Yes.
tigwa 1,000 kayo.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Okay, go.
Okay, I will open my prediction. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Show the audience.
Together?
Yes,
Same
together.
time? Okay.
Show the
Okay.
cards.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! What happened?
You'll be rich, audience. You'll be rich.
talo pala to.
Teka.
Dito na tayo yayaman, Dabar Cards.
Different.
Sorry.
Madami ba dalan? Madami kayo dalang pera ito.
May nangyari. May sumabit.
Wait a minute.
I told you to cheat. Yeah. Why? Why there is another card?
I changed all the cards.
Meron pang ano to ha? May kabalasa ha? May palasador ka pa ha?
Magkakontsaba itong dalawa eh.
May palasador ka pa ha? Ano ba yan?
Teka, silipin ko. Di mo nga.
You can see, I cheated before it.
Oh,
I put the same numbers
where did this come
on
from?
these cards.
It's all
Pero,
fall apart.
pero ito lang ang nabunot ko. Bakit? Matindi rin yun.
So, Rian. I have your plane ticket. No, you cannot go back to Indonesia.
Okay.
Change the card.
Please help me.
Oh, how can I help
My
you?
plane ticket is on my boss. I begging you to change your card, please.
I will change.
Change.
Okay,
I'll give
okay.
you 1 peso and change your card.
One more?
So, I will keep this here.
change. Yeah.
Oh, I'll put it back.
No,
Just
leave
put it back.
here.
Put
Okay.
it back.
Leave it in. Oh.
Okay.
Susunod na ba?
My master told me that if my power fails or gone, two beautiful girls can kiss me and I can have it back my power.
Beautiful girl.